A very happy morning to my cute little children. So here we are with subject Maths, chapter Roman numerals. Today we are going to start our new chapter. Date 26 September 2020. So let's begin our chapter, that is Roman numerals. Lesson number 3. Have you ever noticed these symbols? क्या आपने कभी ये symbols notice किए हैं? कौन से symbols? ये Question 4 देखा है आपने? Then Part 6. Now children, what are these symbols? ये कौन से symbols होते हैं? ये वाले, ये. What are these symbols? They are Roman numerals, children. What do these symbols represent? How are they different from the numbers we use? What do they represent and how are they different from the numbers we use? Today we are going to study that. See, well, these are Roman numerals. From the word itself, Roman numerals. These were invented by the Romans many years ago. बहुत साल पहले रोमन्स ने ये नंबर इन्वेंट किए थे. Though they are not as simple as the Hindu-Arabic numerals, they are not at all simple, children. Okay? We still use them in our everyday life. For example, in standard, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, we use Roman numerals. The Roman numerals use 7 letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. They use 7 letters of the English alphabets. Okay? और वो कौन से letters है? Hindu-Arabic numeral 1, 5, 10, 1500, 500 and 1000. और रोमन न्यूमरल में हम उनको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? बाय I, V, X, L, C, D and M. हम यही लेटर्स यूज करते हैं और 1 से लेके जितने भी नंबर्स हमें रिप्रेजेंट करने हैं हम कर सकते हैं. See, there is no symbol for 0. क्या यहाँ पे आपको 0 के लिए कोई सिंबल दिख रहा है? No, there is no symbol for 0. All the other numbers are written as different combinations of these symbols. We are having only 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. But जो दूसरे numbers है, suppose 2 के लिए क्या यहाँ पे कोई सिंबल दिया है? नहीं दिया है, but हम 2 रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं by using combination of these numerals. We shall now work on numbers from 1 to 39. हम थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में 1 to 39 रोमन numerals लिखेंगे. Let us understand some rules. There are some rules and regulation to use Roman numerals. So now we will study them very, very carefully. Symbols I and X can be repeated maximum 3 times to form a number. The symbols I and X हम उनको सिर्फ 3 बार ही रिपीट कर सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. For example, first हम कैसे लिखते हैं? ऐसे. When you was in first standard, this is a Roman numeral. So हम ऐसे लिखते थे. सेकेंड के लिए हम ऐसे लिखते थे. ओके, लाइक दिस. हमने क्या किया? I को 2 बार रिपीट किया. देन थर्ड, मैक्सिमम हम उसको 3 बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं. सो थर्ड. एंड इन फोर्थ, हाउ डू वी राइट फोर्थ? वी राइट इट लाइक दिस. राइट? हमने I को 3 से ज्यादा बार रिपीट नहीं किया. सो यही वो रूल है कि we cannot repeat the symbol I and X more than 3 times. We cannot repeat it. Then examples, I is equal to 1, second 1 plus 1 2, triple I that is third, 1 plus 1 plus 1 that is third, this is 10, 2 times x is equal to 10 plus 10 20, 3 times x that is 10 plus 10 plus 10 that is 30. Then there is no concept of place value in Roman numeral system. यहाँ पर कोई place value का concept नहीं है. Then symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated more than once. Symbols like V, L and D cannot be repeated more than once. Okay, so underline this. V, L and D cannot be repeated more than once. Okay, clear? Now let's move forward. A symbol of smaller value. A symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value means subtract smaller from greater. Let's understand this by example. See, fourth, ये क्या बोल रहा है? Subtract smaller from the greater when smaller value is before a symbol of greater value. देखिए, greater smaller value है, 1 क्या है? small है, और 1 क्या है? it is before, वो 5 के before है. जो छोटी वैल्यू है 1, जो छोटी वैल्यू है 1 वो 5 के बिफोर है ना, वो 5 के बिफोर है. यही बोल रहा है a symbol of smaller value, a symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value. 5 is a greater value. तो अब हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Means subtract smaller from the greater. So that's why it is written 5 minus 4. So we get 4. And that is why your 4th standard is represented like this, children. Okay? Then see, 9th. Here also the smaller value is before the larger value. Okay? X stands for 10 minus 1. So we get 9. Understood? जब भी smaller value हो before the larger value, we subtract the smaller value from the larger value. Clear? Now we will see next rule. A symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means add smaller to the greater. ठीक है, इसमें तो छोटा सिंबल पहले था. अब अगर छोटा सिंबल बाद में हो तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? See, we will add. Very simple, we will add. Let's see the example. See, sixth हम कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? पहले 5 है, फिर 1 है. लार्जर वैल्यू पहले, स्मॉलर वैल्यू बाद में. तो इसमें हम प्लस करते हैं. सी, 5 plus 1 6, क्योंकि 1 बाद में है ना. यहाँ पे 1 पहले था तो हमने माइनस कर दिया. सी हियर 11th, the larger value is here and the smaller value is after. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Understood? Now we will, using a combination of the symbols 1, 5 and x, we can write numbers up to 39. So let's begin. How we will write first? हम first कैसे लिखेंगे? Like this. First. Second, 2 times I. Third, 3 times I. Why? Because I represents 1. I क्या represent करता है? 1 represent करता है. So I is equal to 1. 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Then comes fourth. हम I को 3 से ज़्यादा बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. It is against the rules of Roman numerals. So we represent 4 as 1, 4. So this is represented as 5 minus 1 is equal to 4 because the smaller number is before the bigger number. That is why. Then 5 is represented by V. Right? ऐसे I have done till 5 and you will have to do till 6th is done for you. Your homework is you will do till 13. Okay? You will do till 13. These 2 columns we will do in our next class. Okay kids? So for today this was it children. Study very well. Be happy. Keep smiling. May God bless you.